In front of me is SONY Xperia VII, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. Once ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then hit Consent. Select this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you want to, checking out Preview at the top. You can also select presets on the left, click on the best one for you, and then manage its settings over here. Now click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. If you want to manage some of its options right now, click on this gear at the top right corner and operate those settings again to make last-minute changes. Go back, hit Set Wallpaper, tap on one of those options and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!